This is the Pythagorean theorem. The theorem is only valid in right triangles. A right triangle is a triangle which one of its angle is a right angle or 90 degrees. As shown in the figure, it states that in a right triangle, the square of A plus the square of B is equal to the square of C. Here, side A is the height of the triangle, and side B is the base, and side C is the hypotenuse. The question is, how do we prove this theorem? It is believed that the Pythagorean theorem was developed by Pythagoras, the Greek mathematician, 2,600 years ago. However, other historical sources suggested that this theorem has the Egyptian origin from a much older era. It was suggested that the theorem was developed by the Egyptian when they built the pyramids. Please subscribe for the motivation.
Before that, please support us through Patreon, or PayPal, or the purchasing of our book on Amazon. Find the link in the description.
In order to prove the Pythagorean theorem, we use the proof of area of square and the area of rectangle and the distributive property. We provided the proofs in our previous videos. Please find the link to access the videos. First of all, let us focus on the right triangle shown in the figure. Here, side A is the height of the triangle, and side B is the base, and side C is the hypotenuse. Next, let us put a square on the top of side C, as shown in the figure. Next, let us put the same triangles around the square. Please refer to the figure for better understanding. Now, we get a bigger square. As can be understood from the picture, the bigger square consists of 4 equal triangles and 1 smaller square. The length of this bigger square are A plus B. There are 2 ways to determine the area of the bigger square. The first one is by using the formula of the area of a square. That gives us equation 1. The other way to determine the area of the bigger square is by adding the total area of the 4 triangles and the area of smaller square. This gives us equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get equation 3, as shown in the figure. Next, let us focus on the right hand of the equation. By applying the formula of the area of triangle and square, we get equation 4. Next, let us focus on the left side of the equation. By applying the distributive property, we get equation 5. Lastly, by simplifying equation 5, we get the equation 6. Herewith, the Pythagorean theorem has been proven.
Please support us by buying our books, or by donation through Patreon and PayPal. The links are provided in the description. Our books can be obtained in electronic medium and as printing books. You can send the books as gifts for your beloved ones. Do not forget also to subscribe, and peace be upon those who follow the guidance.
والسلام على من اتبع الهدى.